So how do we graph it? Well, let's look at this -3. Okay, it's right next to the x. What does it mean? What's the transformation here? Is it left or is it right? Right. Okay, so moving to the right, shift right for 3 units. Now, while we say shifting right for 3 units, let me go ahead and ask you the question that we have been asking last week or so. What would you say about the restrictions here? What x cannot be?
3.
X cannot be 3, right? Well, and why is that? The fraction will become undefined, right? And that means our vertical asymptote must be 3. So let's go ahead and draw our vertical asymptote right here. Okay. That's our vertical asymptote. Okay. Now the center of rotational symmetry, well, it was 0, 0, right? But now we have moved to the right for 3 units, so that becomes 3, 0. Okay. Now we don't plot it on the graph, we just know that where it is at. And then what about the horizontal asymptote? So we start thinking about, let's think about this. If this x becomes ginormous, okay? So the denominator will be huge. What is 1 over a huge number? A very small number, which is close to 0. So that's how we know the horizontal asymptote is y goes to 0. And where the horizontal and vertical asymptote intersect is actually our, in this case, the center of rotational symmetry. Okay. All right. So we got that. Okay. And then we shift to the right. So now if we draw the graph, since there's no vertical or horizontal stretch or shrink, then we should have these 2 values. Okay, we should have these 2 values that we had earlier. We just shift everything to the right. And like I said, please verify it. So I'm going to verify it with an x value of 4. I'm thinking about if x equals to 4, what would be my y value? 1, right? So I have a number. If x is equal to 4, from my calculation, I have a y value of 1. So now I can confirm that my graph is absolutely spot on. Okay.